Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add document details to the Aegean application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the home button down below, then tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on document details, which is the second option. Then you should add your passport number. Then your passport expiry date should be selected on this calendar. Then add your identity card number. Your identity card country should be selected too. And then click on the update document details button down below to save these changes. As you can see, it has been updated, so if you want to change it anytime, just come back to this section, and as you can see, you can easily edit it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.